Oh my god.
Oh, oh! Oh shit!
Once, like each person once, so they knew that they weren't getting gypped. I reckon he could. Oh! Fuck! How the fuck did he just miss me? Oh! Truck and dog just plowed a car right in front of me. And somehow it missed me.
This weekend, the temperature set to soar into the high 40s. The Weather Bureau's Daniel Hayes. It's not just those maximum temperatures, quite high. Those minimums sitting in those high 20s.
Sons Esmond gave Remendo. Being done both the Giants and Richmond will be playing for a place in the Sons Esmond gave Remendo. Being done both the Giants and Richmond will be playing for a place in the
Continue on Boundary Road for 6 kilometres.
Fox's happy hour. We've been with everything. I'll tell you what, he's fired up.
Fucking hell!
Road just outside Tarneen Station. It's all on the south over the Western Port Highway closed south north of Leeds Road just outside Tarneen Station. It's all on the south over the Western Port Highway closed south of Frankston Road due to a crash. Make sure you use Pearsdale Road or the
Fuck! I was thinking it was coming direct to me. Shit, 000, what's the...
Visit taxcuts.gov.au to find out more. Authorised by the Australian Government Canada. At Kmart, we know that every dollar counts. That's why we've dropped prices on clothing for the whole family. Like our women's long sleeve top, now just $9.50. Kmart, low prices for life.
I wish I could teach the world to sing, write some music and have them tripping off the joy I bring. I wish I could hold hands, listen to singing just a lesson from a grown man. And now, wish the families a lot, but I love you some facts.
Hey! Fucking hell. Whoa! Wow, tough. Come on! Oh my goodness.
The door down the hallway. Is that your key? Is it okay?
I know, it was fun. Oh my god!
Stag.
Highway, as mentioned, Sydney now check out Kia 7-day sale up to $777 worth of free accessories and every Kia Plus with 7-year warranty. Hurry, sale into March 20, conditions apply. Thanks, Terry, you need to help me. Look, we don't usually do this and come back on air, but Sarah, you need to help me out here because Whipper's just done.
Well, Jace, good news if you filled up with petrol last week. Economists say an average price of $1.12.3 was actually the lowest level in the week ahead of Easter for over a decade. Don't be surprised, though, if you start seeing those prices creep up again. And Axl Rose has been photographed.
Australia's biggest nightly countdown.
You fucking idiot! Fuck!
dude is not okay. Motherfucker. He's gone.
Chasing Shadows, The Life and Death of Peter Roebuck. It was a very discomforting tale. We'll be talking to the
Oh, see? Wow. Are you serious? Well, dude, do not reverse back into us.
Oh, what the fuck?
You fucking idiot.
Yeah.
Got a key.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah. Don't worry. Oh, what was that?
Fuck me. Oh, man.
What happened?
Oh, no, I'm fine.
What's it? In Sydney.
Oh, Sydney.
Right.
No. Well,
So their actual house is in Sydney. Holy
shit.
crap.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh! Oh, shit, you okay? Okay.
What's that? What was that? Mommy, you made me drop on my knee.
There was a car accident.